Hello guys, today we are upgrading the ECU of this car, Toyota Avensis. First we need to disconnect the fuses, the radio and the dome light. So, based on the diagram, the 15 amperes, that's the one, and put it down there and replace the cover. And connect this to the positive terminal of the tailwind adapter, the battery maintenance, and disconnect this glue plug connector, just like that, and put cover in it. To avoid the interruption during the flushing. Now it's all set, and we need to turn on our tailwind adapter. Now it's turned on, and we'll go to diagnose function. Just press a little bit. Okay, now it's all set, and power as well. We need to put to 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees, 90 amperes I should say. Now it's all set, and then we need to start the flushing by using our computer window. This is our computer window, and using the pass-through device, the Tactrix open port, and using the application of GTS TechStream. Now this one we need to, I downloaded from TechEU, the technical bulletin. That is the upgrade based on the technical bulletin due to intermittent white smoke or blue smoke from the tailpipe. We need to extract that. Okay, and here is the extracted file. Open up, and here is it. Then open that one, and you will see the calibration update wizard, like that. And see to it, guys, that you don't have any additional accessories connected to your laptop except the cable that connect to your OBD port, your hardware, or a pass-through device. Now we need to put to on position. And another one thing more, aside from disconnecting the fuses of the dome light, the radio, see, when you open the door there is no more light from this side, so close the door. So noisy, we remove that for a minute. And also, even though your laptop battery is nearly full, you need to put the charger. Here is my charger, it's connected to the power supply, and then here we are ready to go. So put the ignition key, turn on to switch position, but engine out. Alright, and then we'll proceed for the upgrading of this ECU. Then click next. As you can see, it says there Tactrix open port pass-through device. Now we will proceed. Click next as well. Now that's it. Okay, this is the current calibration. Current calibration ID 305 79400, and the new one is 305 79500. Okay, and then click next. All right, then next. Okay, it's on position. Yeah, cannot see this, but it's already in on position. And then we'll be click next to start the passing. There you go, guys. It's on progress. See our pass-through device, the open port too. It's working perfect. And by the way, shout out to Jawad Sahid. He has also a problem with his Toyota Avensis, and also to Abel of Barcelona, Portugal. This video is for you. If you are watching right now, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can see almost finished now the upgrading. Estimated time is 3 minutes and 11 or 12 seconds. And 25 seconds remaining. Now here it's a winter here in Dublin. As you can see, there is a drizzle right now outside. See my windshield. Almost there. Alright, switch soap. And then click the next. And then switch to on position, and then press next again. Okay, please confirm calibration ID has been updated as outlined in the specific service bulletin. Alright, so finish. Now it's time to use the software of TechStream. The duty is TechStream. Open that and we will check for the error. Then connect to vehicle. Okay, and then here select your model, the year. Okay, I use that one. No smart key, and then click next. Okay, we do the health check. And next, it will take time to read all the ECUs. if you have the Toyota, guys, just buy this software, GTE Extreme. This will save you a lot of money, and for life, as long as you have the Toyota vehicles with you. Okay, that is the error, so we need to clear all of the error, that it is a error. Okay, that DTC occur during our ECU upgrade. Just clear only that error. And press yes, and it's clearing the error. Yes again. As you can see there, guys, the software is already upgraded to the new calibration. Okay, this is the only left, the incomplete. This is the smog test. You see that? Okay, incomplete. That's normal. We close this application. And if this video is helpful or very informative, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos to be uploaded. We save this one. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all.